What's happening, everyone? Just a quick video on the Andycine Lunchbox M SATA, which is cheaper version SSD for your Atomos Ninja 5. Here we go. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Basically, you can get this in Amazon for $50 Canadian, and this will be coming May 29 to 30. But if you want it cheaper, you can get it at AliExpress as well, $34. And this takes a little bit of time at June 17. I also bought the Andycine USB Type-C to SATA converter so that you can connect it to your computer. I would not recommend it at all. It doesn't work that well. I'll link better ones on the description below, so go ahead and check that out. So the next thing you need is a Samsung T5. If you have that laying around, then good to go. But if you don't have one, you have to get one. This is what the Andycine Lunchbox SATA Type-C looks like. It looks cool, but it doesn't work that well. It also doesn't come with a USB-C cable, so you'll have to provide one yourself. Now, if you do buy a Samsung T5, it comes with two USB-C cables, one USB-A to USB-C and two Type-Cs. Now, the first step is to open up the Samsung T5. There are 4 screws all together. There's 2 on each side, so you just have to peel off the stickers on both sides. What I did is I just poke a hole on where the screws are, which is the 2 ends, which is the best way. I think it's the easiest way to take off the screws. Once the one side is off, we need to take off the other side now. Again, we're just gonna poke a hole and unscrew the 2 screws. Once the 4 screws are off, it should just slide off, and then we're gonna peel this thermal pad here. We're gonna take off 2 screws, and then that way the M SATA will be free from the motherboard. Now, if it doesn't come off, you could take off the 2 more screws that's attached from the motherboard to the actual casing. Once these are taken off, then you can take the whole thing off. There's another sticker thermal pad on the back. We could take that off, and what we are left is the M SATA. Basically, this little motherboard is the M SATA to the USB-C converter, which is really cool. You can use this as well if you have other M SATA drives laying around. Once we've done that, we're gonna open up the M SATA to SATA converter now that came with the Andycine. Once it's ready to go, it's just simply attaching the M SATA from the Samsung T5 M SATA to SATA converter. Next thing we need to do is to attach the heatsink tape so that the heat will dissipate better, because the Andycine case is full metal and you don't want it to overheat. Now the next one is to put the screws on so that the M SATA from the Samsung T5 will be attached to the converter. Now it's just a matter of opening up the casing now. We're gonna open up the bottom case first so that we can size up how it would fit on the casing. Now it depends on how it fits on the case. I would just use one of these pads right here so that it's not right onto the metal, the SSD. This one would fit very well as well. I don't need one on the back. Once you've sized up the right ones, just a matter of screwing in 4 bolts right onto there, and you're pretty much done. For those who are wondering why this is such a necessary thing to do, is because the SSDs are actually too long for the back of the Atomos Ninja 5. If you have the Andycine, then you would have it really small, very versatile, and also very tiny device right here. You can also buy other colors of this. I'll link it down below as well, so go ahead and check that out. And this is what it would look like in the back of the Atomos Ninja 5, which is really cool. I love this design. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new SSD Lunchbox SATA Andycine for your Atomos Ninja 5. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.